Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And let's try to understand how to split the data in decision tree in KNIME. So a decision tree is a supervised learning algorithm used for classification and regression tasks. It splits the data into subsets based on the features of the dataset and creates a tree-like structure of decisions to predict the target variable. It is a tree-like model that is constructed by recursively splitting the dataset into smaller and smaller subsets based on the most significant features that discriminate between different classes or values of the target variable. Once we run the decision tree, we will get the prediction column. Now, we will have to check the accuracy of the particular model, the decision model, based on the confusion matrix. Let us try to understand this confusion matrix with a very simple example. A person is having a COVID or a person is normal. We are using a kit to detect it. So a person was having a COVID and the kit detect a person is having a COVID. So 50 such cases are there in which the detection was successful. A person was normal and the kit detected that the person is normal. So 114 such cases are there. So here also the kit is successful in classifying that a person is having a COVID or not having a COVID. But there are six such cases in which the person was normal and the kit detected that he or she is having a COVID. Similarly, here also, a person was having a COVID and the kit detected that the person is normal. So 22 plus 6, 28 are misclassified cases. So this is the misclassification which has happened, or rather it is a leakage in the model. For the model to be successful, we want more and more success in these cells, that is 50 and 114. So total is 164. So this is our success. Now, how we will run this in, let's see, in KNIME Analytics platform. So first of all, I will activate input output mode from here. CSV reader. I'll double click on this and browse. I'll browse the dataset. I'll click hard one, press open, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. Now you can see here the hard disk is, this is our target variable, yes and no. We want to do the prediction based on age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar will not be included, resting ECG, maximum hours of exercise, exercise angina, yes or no, old peak, ST slope, flat, up or down. So let's activate the column filter for those variables which you don't want to include in your decision model. Right click on it, configure. I'll remove fasting blood sugar. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous video that explains what is a decision tree and how to interpret it. Click OK. Again, right click on it and execute. So fasting blood sugar will be removed from our data set. Let's proceed further. I'll activate the color manager from here. Right click on it and configure. Hard disease. Let's say when it is yes, I'll keep green, and when it is no, I'll keep uh, red. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I want to partition this data set. So I'll activate the partitioning from here. Right click on it, configure. I'll make this 80% and partitioning should be done according to the set stratified sampling, and that is heart disease we are considering. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you will see the first partition based on which the training will be done. You can see here the red one is for no and the green one is for yes. You can see here. So this first partition will go for training. Let's click on the second one, second partition. This will go for testing. Activate the decision tree learner. Right click on it, configure. So the class column is heart disease, quality measure is Guinea index, pruning method no, click OK, right click on it and execute. I'll again right click on it and you can see that decision tree. I have already explained the interpretation of this decision tree in my previous video. Kindly refer my previous video of this tutorial series. Now on the basis of decision tree learner, I will have to do the prediction. So this decision tree predictor will get the remaining 20% data set from the partition. Again, right click on it and configure. Change prediction column name, append columns with the normalized class distribution, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the classified data. So this is your original data. And this is a prediction done according to the decision tree model. Now we want to check the accuracy of our prediction. So for this, we will have to activate the scorer from here. Again, right click on it and configure. Click heart disease, first column, and second column prediction heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the confusion matrix it has generated. So 68 cases are such in which a person was not having a heart disease and the model also predicted correctly that a person is not having a heart disease. In case of 80, or rather 80 such cases are there that the patient was having a heart disease and the model also predicted correctly. But these are 22. You can see 22. A patient was having a heart disease and the model predicted no. Similarly, a patient was not having a heart disease 14 and the model predicted yes. So 22 plus 14 are misclassified cases. If you want to know more about our classification accuracy, right click on it and view the confusion matrix. It will give me the classification accuracy as 80.435%. Wrong classified cases are 36. Correct classified cases are 148. You can also activate the pie or donut charts from here and connect the decision tree predictor here. Right click on it and configure. Click first generate on the image. Now go in generate plot options. Make sure pie chart is on and convert it into the percentage. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the pie chart image. So 49% no is there and 51% is yes is there for the patient having the heart disease or not. You can convert this into the donut by again clicking here and click on plot the donut chart. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the pie chart image. You will get the donut charts. So this is a way you split the data in KNIME for the decision tree. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.